Okay, here we're going to look at solving a decimal word problem using a linear equation of the form Ax plus b equals c. Doing two examples with you, the first of which is Teresa purchased a prepaid phone card for 30 bucks. Long distance calls cost 12 cents a minute using the card. Teresa used her card only once to make a long distance call. If the remaining credit is $25.44, how many minutes did her call last? Okay. So there's a few ways you could do this. I'm going to try to encourage you guys to write an equation that's pretty simple to set up and also probably easier to solve. The hardest part is maybe setting it up. So you know that based on here, we have a prepaid phone card that starts with $30. The calls are 12 cents for every minute that you use it, and that we have a remaining amount on the credit card is $25.44. So I would think the amount on the card would be equal to 30 bucks to start, but then we have to subtract 12 cents, which is $0.12 for every minute M that you call. Well, the amount on the card is $25.44, so I'm going to say it's $25.44 would be equal to the $30 we started with minus the 12 cents for every minute we called. Now, we want to figure out what that M is, right? How long we called for. So the first thing to do would be to subtract the 30 from both sides. And if we do 25.44 minus 30, that's going to be a negative $4.56. And that would be equal to negative 0.12 times M. Now what I have to do is divide both sides by the negative 0.12 to find out how many minutes that is. Got to grab a calculator, and I'm sure in this topic you're going to have a calculator available on Alex so you can divide the decimals. I kind of have a crude, ugly calculator here, but I'm just going to divide 456, 4.56 divided by 0.12, and that's 38 minutes exactly. So the number of minutes is 38 for this problem. Let's look at another example. Omar rented a truck for 1 day. There's a base fee of $16.95, and there's an additional charge of 87 cents for every mile. Omar had to pay $217.92 when he returned the truck. For how many miles did he drive the truck? This is a similar kind of a problem where the amount paid, right, like how much you pay, is going to be the $16.95 that you start with, plus it's 87 cents, not $87. So I have to put 0.87 times M, which I'm going to let the number of miles be M. Well, the amount paid was $217.92, so it's going to be $217.92 equals that $16.95 plus 87 cents for every mile. So from here, I'm going to see if I can solve this. I'm going to subtract the $16.95, and if I use my calculator to do the $217.92 minus 16.95, that leaves $200.97, and that equals the 87 cents for every mile. I have to divide now by 0.87. So if I do that, I get 231. So I get 231 is the number of miles that he must have driven to get charged that amount. I hope this helps you guys out. Thanks for watching.